This week's feast:
Grandma's stuffed peppers from Hey Arnold! What's up, everybody? Arnold here, joined by Helga, of course, and today we are actually doing a recipe that wasn't super requested, but we saw it and we thought it would be a perfect, easy dinner to make. So a big shout out to Autistic Fandom Otaku for suggesting it and tweeting at us and being active on the social medias. We see you, we hear you, and we thought, hey, Thanksgiving's coming up.
Yep, so we Thanksgivingified it.
Wow! Wombo combo.
Stuffed bell peppers are pretty common, but we wanted to take Grandma's recipe to the next level. And it's so good, it's simple, it's fun. We think you're really gonna like it.
Also, the presentation is really nice, so if you make this for someone, like your family, a girlfriend, a boyfriend, or just a friend, they're gonna be impressed.
Yeah, dude, you're gonna look like total bosses in the kitchen after making this.
Heck yeah.
Go ahead and go on my Instagram and thank me later.
Well, the nice thing is Thanksgiving is coming up, so that is what we have done. We've taken this very traditional recipe and made it into something that we believe is the first of its kind online.
So let's get started.
Hands up in the comment section below if you were a Hey Arnold fan growing up, or Rocko's Modern Life, Doug, Angry Beavers, Rocket Power, the list goes on. Hey Arnold was one of my favorite shows, and we all love a football head and the everlasting love of one Helga Pataki. In the eating contest episode, Arnold's caretaker grandpa decides that it's time for Arnold to inherit the responsibility of winning the neighborhood's eating contest. After all... Wait, Gramps, that's the proudest day of your life? Not like when your kids were born? Well, guess he's got his own priorities. Anyway, Arnold begins preparing for the eating contest, and Gramps has a lot of money on the line. But Helga thinks the contest is already over, thanks to Seymour. Arnold thought he was in the clear, and so did Gramps, but suddenly, Seymour. The real test lays ahead. Anyway, the contest comes around, and one of the recipes we thought looked the best to recreate was Arnold's grandma's stuffed bell peppers. Now, stuffed bell peppers have been a staple food that are great for almost any occasion. Plus, the recipe is super simple and results in a great looking dish, which is always a plus when it comes to cooking for friends and family. And since Thanksgiving is coming right up, we're theming this dish to the holiday of feasting and making a turkey cranberry explosion of flavor. We're gonna start with the filling for our peppers. We're cooking ground turkey in a skillet, which is of course a staple of Thanksgiving. Add in diced onions and yams, mash up your turkey. Get it? Mash up Thanksgiving? Okay, never mind. And mix the ingredients together until the meat is cooked through and no pink remains. Add your cranberries, chopped garlic, rice, and your tomato sauce. Use a wooden spoon to stir and mix this all together until the sauce is spread evenly throughout. Preparing our peppers for stuffing is super simple. Carefully hold it with one hand and use a paring knife to cut the top off, kind of like a pumpkin, and then scrape out any additional innards with a spoon. Now go ahead and fill each of your peppers with your Turkey Day mixture. Place in a baking pan and add a tiny layer of water to the bottom of the pan. Bake for 350 degrees for 30 minutes and serve hot out of the oven. And voila! Beautiful stuffed peppers with a delightful Thanksgiving Day mix of turkey, cranberries, and duh, you gotta stuff something to make it truly seasonal. Since we're not gonna be stuffing ourselves in an eating contest for these, we'll enjoy it at a regular pace like normal humans. Happy Thanksgiving, everybody, and hope you have a safe and warm holiday at home with loved ones.
Who's that patron? It's Phoebe Marinduque!
Cheers! I can't wait to eat
What are
this.
you gonna do, just take a bite out of crime?
Heck yeah! What are you gonna do? Use a
Cut it.
knife? What a civilized thing to do.
Dude, you're not messing around.
I'm not. Wow.
Wow, nice.
Those cranberries make me so happy. A nice splash of sweetness in this savory dish. There are a lot of ways to eat this. You could be like Ashley and cut it all open and have it spill everywhere, like a messy person.
Oh,
Or you can do the smart thing and just chomp on down.
the smart thing.
Maybe a little judgment there.
It's okay, it was really good. I really appreciate how it's Thanksgiving themed, right?
Mm-hmm.
I love it. 'Tis the season, it's fall time, and we're trying to mix it up for you guys. You know, there's a billion stuffed pepper recipes on the internet. Are there a billion Thanksgiving stuffed pepper recipes?
The answer is no, by the way. So don't even bother going to Google to look it up.
He's the smarter one, so
we're
you
making
should
the
listen to
ultimate.
him.
It's it. This is the one. And it's really good.
It is really good. And so if you need anything for Thanksgiving to mix it up, you know, maybe instead of green bean casserole, you bring green bell peppers stuffed.
That's
Yeah.
amazing. It's like Thanksgiving in a pepper.
Yeah, it is. It's pretty genius, actually.
Well, I'm always grateful for Thanksgiving. It's one of my favorite holidays of the year.
It is.
My family would always argue and we would always get into huge fights, but it was an excuse for all of us still to go see each other and be, you know, in the same room.
Yeah.
And to enjoy each other's companies, at least for a little bit, over food.
Food, fellowship, all of the above is the whole shebang. That's the
It is the
reason
whole
why
shebang.
we have these holidays and get together with our families. What is your favorite Thanksgiving food, though?
My favorite Thanksgiving food?
Yeah.
Oh man, I want to say pumpkin pie really bad, but it's not really. Would that count?
Yeah, everybody.
Alright.
I mean, how many times a year do you eat pumpkin pie other than Thanksgiving?
Like once for Halloween-esque time?
What?
What?
Who eats pumpkin pie for Halloween?
Okay, I'm sorry. Halloween. What do you think when you think of Halloween?
Pumpkins, but nobody's turning it into pie until Thanksgiving.
Well, what a waste of a pumpkin.
Well, it's not like you're doing it.
No, but I'd buy them.
But
Because
you don't
Costco
use
has
them
them.
and blah, 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 make it for pumpkin pie for
Look, I like
Halloween.
pumpkin pie, Ashley, so I'll eat it whenever I want. And it only feels fitting around the holiday that literally has pumpkins
Okay,
in
that's
its
a good
theme.
answer. Basically, it's a great answer. I agree. I
Yeah.
love pumpkin pie.
What's
But
your
I'm
favorite?
That's the answer. But I'm shocked you eat it more than just at Thanksgiving. I thought only everybody
so
ate it only at
delicious.
Thanksgiving.
I mean, yeah, you can also eat pumpkin pies anytime a holiday rolls around. But, you know,
Yes,
July
you
4th is
can.
all about the apple pie and all that stuff.
Or
So,
it could be about the pumpkin pie. You never know.
Mhm.
Like these peppers are about Thanksgiving.
that's right. What's your favorite Thanksgiving food?
Probably pumpkin pie. Actually,
Heck yeah! My other favorite food item from Thanksgiving has to be Martinelli's sparkling cider because that's definitely the only thing I drink on holidays, and it's what the kids would drink at the kids'
I
table
was gonna
every
say,
year.
are you 5?
Well, I'm
Are you
so-
not 21?
Jeez, I'm sorry. It's delicious, and sometimes I'd rather have a big sugary beverage than a cold one. You know, a brewski.
I'm sorry for being so judgmental of your Thanksgiving
It's
answers.
okay, but we can all agree that Martinelli's is amazing and tastes better during the winter holidays.
I honestly haven't had it since I was like 5 years old.
What?
So
You're missing out. You're also missing out on pumpkin pie all year round.
I so am, Libby. I need to be living your life.
You know what's great about Thanksgiving too, Ash?
What?
It's a time to give thanks, and people that we would like to especially thank from the bottom of our hearts are our patrons over at patreon.com/feastofiction. It's with their support that we were able to do more stuff like costumes, build a set behind us, change our filming setup, and have it look as great and awesome as possible because the show is always moving onward and upward.
Yep. And thanks to you guys. We really appreciate it. As always, leave a comment below and let us know what you want to see us make next.
Yeah, or just tell us your favorite Thanksgiving memory. We've
Yeah.
gotten so many recommendations over the years. It's great to just connect with the community as
Yep.
well.
It's great to connect with you guys too on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, all of the above.
Yeah.
So feel free to find us on those platforms as well.
Yeah, and guaranteed, Ashley is always doing something festive around the holidays, either with you, your husband, or your son,
I might
or just
be.
by yourself baking amazing cookies and hopefully some pumpkin pies.
And Jimmy is always over on Instagram being a movie star.
Yeah, I guess that's a way of describing it.
Yeah. So all in all, very exciting things going on over there. So say hi to us over there.
Please do. We do love to respond and we read all your
do.
comments, especially on the Feast of Fiction Instagram page. So make sure you follow that, join the community, and thank you again so much for tuning in to another episode.
Yep. And we'll see you next time.
Bye. Bye, Arnold.